In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add product categories in Shopify. But before we dive into this, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about adding product categories on Shopify, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get started. To add product categories in Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section. Depending on your setup, you may already have some products listed or may need to add new ones. For adding new products, click on Add Product at the top right corner. Create a new product by filling in the required details such as title, description, media, and other relevant information. Shopify automatically suggests a product category, but you can select or create your own category to suit your needs. After selecting the category, click Save, and the product will be added under the specified category. For existing products, click on the product title to open its details. You'll find the Product Category section where you can adjust or add a new category to match the others. Simply edit the category to align with your preferred category structure and click Save. You can repeat these steps for other products, ensuring they are appropriately categorized. By organizing your products into categories, you'll find it easier to navigate and manage your inventory, especially if you have numerous products. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful tutorials like this one. Your engagement and feedback are incredibly valuable. Thank you for watching.